Bagong adlaw, bagong istorya. Another night event mga bolero ang atong lilion karon. Tara, socialite year-end party. Let's go! Anaw na to kung sa mga event, kung sa mga ganap ani na party karon.
Yung dalawa lang to, real name ko Ate Dali. Oo. Kasi kaya dapat real name ha, kahit walang middle.
Bakit ka nag-invest sa gold industry?
Thank you sa question, sir. Kaya ako nag-invest sa gold industry kasi ang gold ay tumataas ang value, good for investment and good for business.
Okay, anong nakikita mo sa, anong excitement nakikita mo next year in socialite?
Actually, napakadaming surprise and excitement na nakikita ko sa Socialite 2024 dahil bukod sa gold jewelries, marami pa tayong mga upcomings na products dito like skincare and beauty products. So, it means magkakaroon tayo ng maraming bukod sa side hustle ng mga pa-incentives ng ating CEO sa Socialite.
Alright, thank you so much, Mel.
Welcome, sir.
Hope to see you growing in socialite.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Socialite. Thank you.
Irish, bakit ka nag-invest sa gold industry?
Simple lang naman yan. Kaya ako sa Socialite kasi mismong company ang tutulong para sa ating mga OFW, para sa mga pagpo-provide. Etong kumpanyan to ang magpo-provide ng ginto para sa lahat.
Oh, talaga?
Oo, pati magpa-process.
Yes.
Company lahat yan. Pwedeng tabi, pwedeng any kind of payment. Hindi mo na kailangan magpa-ship din sa Pilipinas dahil Socialite, meron pong office sa Pilipinas.
So may branch na rin
Yes,
sa
meron
Philippines.
po.
At saan ba ang branch sa
Sa
Philippines?
Makati po, San Lorenzo Mall, second floor po, Socialite.
Okay. So, anong nakikita mong excitement in socialite next year?
Next year, maraming pasabog talaga si Socialite actually. Maliban sa tumutulong sa OFW, meron pong ilo-launching din na beauty product para dito next year. Another income na naman po ng mga reseller. Kasi hindi naman to networking eh. Mismo mabait po yung may-ari, si Madam. Siya po ang magpo-provide lahat. Ang gagawin nila talaga magpo-order. Company provided lahat ng product. Pati shipping po, company po ang magpa-process lahat. Kaya walang kahirap-hirap kumita. Kaya sa mga gustong magnegosyo, Socialite po, willing po, open po para sa lahat ng OFW na gustong magnegosyo ng ginto or beauty product po ng libre.
Okay, narinig niyo po si Irish kung gaano kaganda yung socialite jewelry here in UAE, Dubai, okay? Thank you so much, Ay. Thank you so much. Okay. I hope that next episode ng interview namin sa iyo, makita ka na namin nag-grow talaga here.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congrats, sir, ma'am. Very successful event tonight. Kamusta naman kayo at bakit kayo nandito nag-invest sa gold ngayon?
Okay, maraming salamat. It was a
Welcome,
successful event, no? So, bakit kami nag-invest sa gold? It's simple, no? Ang ginto hindi siya kumukupas kahit na anong panahon at naging sa future. Okay? At saka ginto ay napakadali na gamiting investment kumpara sa mga stock market, mga financial institution packages.
Okay.
No? Tapos madali mo siyang tawag dito, i-liquidate. Okay? May sanlaan dyan, pwede mong ibenta ng diretso. At maganda ang future ng ginto.
Alright, so ayan po, narinig nyo po kung bakit ginto yung negosyo nila ngayon. And then, any future announcement, ano bang nakaka-excite in socialite for next year?
So si Socialite for next year, medyo nagda-diversify tayo. Nagdadagdag tayo ng mga products.
Wow, wow.
Okay?
May bago tayong products.
May bago tayong products, beauty and skincare. May papasok natin. So itong mga produkto na to ay sabi nga ni Madam Hazel, ito ay originally made for Socialite.
Wow, okay.
Sa socialite.
Para sa Socialite talaga. Hindi katulad ng iba na ginawa, tapos iba-iba nagbebenta pero same na product. Itong product natin hindi, para sa Socialite lang talaga.
So made for socialite po talaga yan. Okay, so parang original product po yan na ginawa only for socialite. So abangan po natin yan by next year. Anong may date na ba?
Basta,
Abangan.
keep you posted.
Wow.
Next year na yan.
Basta
So ayan, surprise po yan. Okay, mga bolero or mga distributor ng socialite, abangan po natin yan by next year. And sir, thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Congrats, very successful event. Okay,
Maraming
thank you so
salamat.
much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Reds, kumusta? Brad?
Okay lang bro.
Balita.
Okay lang bro. Ikaw, kumusta?
Maayos naman. Pre,
Okay.
bakit ka nag-invest sa gold industry?
Okay, ganito. Simple lang sir. Gold is investment. Okay? Ang gold po kasi habang tumatagal, lalo siyang tumataas yung value. Unlike sa other products, kapag ito may expiration, tama? So iba ang gold business. Kaya nag-start ako sa gold.
Alright. And dito sa company Socialite, ano ba ang excitement ang nakikita mo for next
Okay,
year?
next year, watch up next year. We will introduce our new products, skincare and other food supplements.
So may parating na mga bagong
Yes,
product
sir.
aside from gold
Yes,
next year.
actually, this coming third year anniversary, magkakaroon tayo ng mga beauty products and food supplements.
When is the 3rd year anniversary, bro?
This coming February 18.
Next year?
Yes, sir. Next year.
Abangan po natin yung anniversary
watch out.
again. So by the way, this is not an anniversary, this is a year-end party na Socialite collection. Okay? So maraming salamat, Brad.
Thank you, thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Okay.
Ma'am, congrats. Very successful event for tonight. Okay? And nindot kayo yung imong plano for Socialite, no? For the future. Now, why did you choose gold para for your business?
Okay, first of all, no, thank you so much for this
You're welcome, ma'am.
opportunity to get interviewed. Actually, why I choose gold to be the prime product of this business because what I wanted is to give an opportunity to OFW, not just an ordinary business, but a business that wherein they can preserve their hard-earned money through jewelries, no, to turn it into treasure. No, so gold is no question. It's always increasing value, though it has a graph of up and down, but it's always uptrend. So when you invest your money in gold, there's no way you're gonna lose your money, but
Yes,
it will
exactly.
always increase its value.
Exactly.
So that is why, and gold is a very high demand commodity in the market, and actually right now we are having shortage of gold supply. For the
Oh, really?
So yeah, for the raw gold we are having shortage of raw supply. That's why the gold price always increase. So yeah.
Okay. Since na naman kay branch here in Dubai and in Philippines, do you have any additional branches? Do you have plan for the future na mag-add ka of branch?
Yes, that's for sure. Actually, the Socialite, when you look at the business pipeline of Socialite,
Yes.
it is the mission or its goal to conquer the market where every Filipino reside. So, hanggat may mga Pilipino
Na ay Socialite.
nga na pwede mo earn og extra na makahatag tag opportunity sa ilaha, as much as possible we can establish a Socialite business for them to
Wow.
magkaroon og additional income.
Okay, so watch out for that. Ma'am Hazel will be expanding Socialite global. And now, ma'am, for next year, do you have any announcement or surprise? Aside from gold, do you have any other plan, any product that you're going to launch?
Yes, and that's for sure because right karon no currently our product is gold jewelries and perfume, and on the first quarter of next year we will be launching our skincare products as promised. No, we're supposed to launch that one last quarter of this year, but we got short of time na hindi na natin nahabol ng end of the year. But in the first quarter next year, we'll launch our skincare and our beauty supplements because we believe that not investing is not only on the material thing but also investing sa ibuhang sarili, no?
Yes.
Especially women, they really want to invest in their beauty or themselves, no? Especially nung nag-pandemic, no? Na-realize gud sa tao nga the most important thing in this world is to take care of yourself.
Oh, wow, so another product that will be launched under Socialite next year. Any date? Any specific date or surprise pa?
That will be a grand launching during our 3rd year anniversary next year in February.
Okay, so doon na. So ato na siyang abangan another product that will be launched next year. So pila na lang na siya ka lakang, no? So
Yes.
ma-launch na po na siya. And now, ma'am, any message to sa mga gusto na mag reseller or gusto mamaligya gold.
Oo. Sa tanan yung mga sa lahat ng mga OFW na gusto magkaroon ng additional income so you can save up more money for your family in the future. No, we invite you. Our Socialite is open doors for you to become our reseller so you can increase your income so you can have more savings and more better future for your family.
Wow, okay. So, ma'am, dagan kang salamat aning opportunity na na-interview ka namo diri sa Bolero, no?
Og salamat po kayo sa opportunity.
You're most
nga
welcome,
kasama.
ma'am. Okay. So, nadayon ra gid ang atong plano na ma-interview ka na. Anyway, so dagan salamat mga Bolero. Hantod na sa susunod namo na episode kini ang Bolero.
Yes.
Salamat, salamat.
Salamat kayo.